Hey everybody, we are here in the charming town of Helen, Georgia. We're about to go hike Anna Ruby Falls. We're about to leave the hotel, get some coffee, and get it started. This is where our hotel is at. It's pretty nice. The Days Inn, right next to that water park behind me. A crew of 2, 3, including me. Anyway, let's get some coffee. All the dogs left.
No bicycles,
Okay.
no fishing.
No fishing. No trout habit. Oh, they had to. Okay, so no fishing allowed, y'all. It's a trout habitat improvement project. Well, we're about to go to the falls. They have restrooms there at the front. This is the shorter walk. You can start from the state park and it's like 8 miles. But we ain't doing that. My partner here, his knee is injured. So we gotta yeah. So we're gonna take it's a mile, so half a mile each way.
You wanna do it?
Oh, they have a gift shop too. Might hit that up later. Okay. We're gonna find out how difficult this is. I could already hear the sound. Oh, hello, puppy.
His little leg's gonna make it.
Oh yeah.
Sure.
Say hi.
He loves big dogs.
He loves little dogs.
Huh.
We had a Chihuahua when he was brought home as a puppy, so I think he misses
Oh.
it. Oh, look at that tail go, buddy. They said he loves big dogs. I said he loves little dogs.
Fun to buddy.
Enjoy.
Thank you. Okay, y'all. Ooh, let's get some. We got enough bags.
Yeah, hopefully.
Okay. Oh, they have a nice little watering hole for your pets. Okay. Can't find no drones. I ain't got one anyway. If y'all come here, make sure you get out of here before 4 or 5 p.m. because they closed the gate. Oh, it's steep. Oh, man. You okay? You want me to? Yeah, okay. Not too late to get a walking stick if necessary. Already, you can hear the sound of the rushing waters. It's beautiful. You can see it right there along the side. Haven't been to this trail before, but it seems very doable. It's paved. To anyone concerned about a rough terrain, it's not like that. I like how they have the little informational plates along the sides of the trail. Gives you an excuse to take a little break if you're tired. You could just be like, oh, let me read the sign real quick. But you're really catching your breath. It's paved, but it is a little steep. So be ready for that.
The foam of the water looks so beautiful.
Yeah. Hello. Look at that right there. We didn't even get to the falls yet, and that is right next to us. Amazing. Underground water.
Let's drink in the water.
Oh yeah, good stuff. It's about as good water as you can drink. Right there. Mm-hmm. This is not even it. This is the first really nice stopping point. The big view right here. Man, seeing all this water make me thirsty. Come on, Zell. Okay, here is where you really gotta engage the glutes, because we walking up. We could go so here. Okay. It does get a little incline at this part, guys. We are walking up to a waterfall after all. You had enough? You can sit right there.
That's nice.
Yeah. I'm breathing. No. Huh? Yeah. Not gonna lie, this is tough. Nice. Little pool right there. So, just climb that path there. Whew. I'm breathing. Knees okay? Okay. That's good though. Good to get the heart rate up. People always amazed that our dog, a little Chiweenie, they shocked to see him do these hikes. He's been hiking since he was a little puppy boy in the Colorado mountains. So he used to it. Nice little cave there. Ah, starting to see it from here. And it's a Saturday morning, by the way. A little bit of traffic, but not too much. Wow. I want to get in.
Maybe waiting for a meeting.
Almost there, y'all. Not a long hike at all. Just a little steep. I feel like we started walking 10 minutes ago.
Yeah. Not a very short walk.
Yeah. Wow. Worth every step. Now, we're gonna go to the other viewpoint, across this bridge here. y'all. That's about it. Anybody can make it over here. It's paved the whole way. It's a bunch of people here. So if you don't like populated areas, maybe this ain't the one for you, but the view is definitely worth it.
It's raining.
Yeah, it's raining now. We might head down. So this is the other trail you can approach the waterfall from. There's a little map right there. About 10 miles from the start of this one. And it's that way. And you'll end up right over here. But if you went the way we did, towards the parking lot, right down there. Well, we almost back down now. I just wanted to mention, a couple of things that might have not been that great about the hike. It's a little restricted, as in like you can't like go off the trail and touch the water. I mean, pretty sure you can, but you know, they have like these all over the place. And yes, of course, let's always stay on the designated trails. But it is a little restricted because at least at the waterfall, you can't get that close to it. So, but that's understandable. Because if not, with the amount of traffic this place gets, it will probably just be full of trash. So the restrictions are well warranted.